lot of us might wake up in the morning feeling anxious out of nowhere. And so there's a way to break the cycle of morning anxiety. The first thing we want to do is make sure that we're hydrated. Keep a glass of water by your bed and make it the very first thing you do to drink that glass of water and feel the sensation of the water coming into your body. Not only are you hydrating your body, which is good for you, but when your body senses the water coming in, it has to naturally begin to turn down the thinking. The second thing that we want to be aware of is when we're feeling anxious in the morning, we're usually breathing in a very shallow way. We want to reverse that. So just take a couple deep breaths in through your nose, out through your mouth. Allow the exhalation to be an opportunity to release that's there. The third thing we want to do that's really healthy, and this comes to a practice around coming to our senses. And when our body is able to sense something that's here in the present moment, it tends to turn the volume down in our thinking. So we want to go outside or go to a window and let the sunlight, the light come into your eyes. That's also anxiety reducing. And finally, another thing is to consider reversing the type of intention and focus that comes with anxiety. So with anxiety, we're worrying about the worst case scenario. We're doing the brain playing the what if game. And instead, take a moment after you do these first couple practices and begin to ask yourself the question, what is it that I appreciate about my life right now? Begin to settle into a focus around gratitude. It's an antidote for fear. And it could be relationships in your life or relationships that are in the house. It could be a certain level of health that you're feeling. It could be something outside that you're seeing that's pleasant to the eyes, or the ability to hear music that you're hearing. A variety of things that we're able to be appreciative for. We're really reversing the thinking that's there. The final thing that we want to do for morning anxiety is to think about the relationships that we have in our life and people that we really care about and love. These could be animals as well. And in your mind, just say to them, may you be happy. May you be healthy. May the joy in your life continue to grow. May you feel safe and protected. Like you were writing them a greeting card. And what we're doing there is our thoughts lead to emotions. Emotions lead to actions. And so we're beginning to shift our focus. Wherever our focus goes, we invite an energy to flow. And so we're shifting our focus in a different way, in these little ways, to begin to turn the volume down of anxiety in the morning, right from the get-go before you start your day.